Hello, this is Travis Newbury demonstrating the Steam Wrapper program. Here you can see I've got a mouse that has lots of atypical buttons. We've got two extra ones off to the side and a forward thumb button. And I found myself wanting to use these in a bunch of different games and was having a hard time mapping them in some of them. And so I created a program to help out with that. The Let me demo it for you. It is able to be launched automatically when you launch a game in Steam. So I've got Minecraft Dungeons running, and it's got a profile set up for my mouse. So if I just go in game real quick, you could see there that the regular click works. That one's not rebound. Um, but down here, you can see it says my arrows are set to number 8. And that's a key on the keyboard. If I reach over here and click 8, it'll shoot my arrows. But I can also click this button here on the mouse, which is called G8, and that also shoots my arrows. You can see if I leave the game and I press G8 in typing field, it's not pressing 8 because the program detects that I'm not in the game anymore, and so it doesn't apply my macro. Um, the program is highly configurable via a JSON file. So here I've got my device ID. These are all the buttons on the mouse. We've got G8 right here, and then it has the default controls of the game as well as the rebinds. And so in the game, I wanted it to say 8 as the tooltip for ranged attack. And so I rebound that here. And then you can see on my actual mappings section, G8 is set to combat/ranged attack. And so it looks up here and the program merges the default and rebinds section. And so it will see that combat/ranged attack has key 8. And so when the program runs, it evaluates this as rebinding G8 to key 8 on the keyboard. And so you can quickly set up a bunch of different profiles for different games just by making new JSON files. And then here are the Steam launch options. So this is the path to my program, Steam Wrapper right there. I have it set to the Dungeons profile, and that's the name of my JSON file. And then if I run this on its own in the terminal, it would do my remappings system-wide. I would be able to go in the notepad and type that, and it would type 8. But this wrap command, Steam passes in the launch command for whatever game I'm running using this shorthand. And then I pass that into the program using the wrap flag. And what that does is when the program detects that whatever wrapped program is the active program, then it applies the rebinds. And whenever that program gets closed, then Steam Wrapper also terminates. Thank you.